Well, now when I was a boy, I used to enjoy the songs on the old radio. When the king was alive and we all used to jive to the tunes on his Bruce Wrigley show. Well, there was Heartbreak Hotel with my teddy bear. I can scarcely believe that he's gone. But with each Cadillac that passes my back, I find myself singing this song. Just honk if you're Elvis, you're driving his kind of car. Big Chevy and chrome, he's driving you home. A big country star. Just honk if you're Elvis, that's Mr. President to you. Oh, Tennessee, he's beckoning me. I know what I gotta do. Well, now I'm driving some place that the gas it won't last to get me to Memphis today. And as I see you drive by, we're from the edge of my eye, I can tell what you're trying to say. Well, now you never passed on, but you've been resting too long. But the people are waiting for more. So give me a sign at the next popping down that the legend is a weather for sure. Just honk if you're Elvis, you're driving his kind of car. Big Chevy and chrome, he's driving you home. A big country star. Just honk if you're Elvis, that's Mr. President to you. Oh, Tennessee, he's beckoning me. I know what I gotta do. Lay me one down, little boy. Just honk if you're Elvis, you're driving his kind of car. Big Chevy and chrome, he's driving you home. A big country star. Just honk if you're Elvis, that's Mr. President to you. Oh, Tennessee, he's a beckoning